What is up, Sneak Geeks? It's your boy ASneakerLife back with another video. We're here in beautiful Hollywood, but today is the review of the black Off-White Presto.
Always want a Rari, so I'm on the road chasing. Racing, never pacing till I get to fucking taste it. Smoking so much medical, I'm feeling like a patient. Get into the green, just need a little motivation. Summer breeze, I really wanna roll out. Summer breeze, I feel like I'ma make it.
These will be releasing on July 27th, which is going to be this Friday. It's going to be on the Sneakers app. I keep getting that question a lot. It will release at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you're on the lookout for that. Some of you guys are saying, hey Mike, I'm not seeing it in the Sneakers app right now. What's going on? Just keep checking the Sneakers app and then you might be able to get a reminder. That's what usually goes down. As far as these go, you know, when I first saw them originally, I wasn't the biggest fan of them. I just didn't like this color too much. But then when I got them in hand, it changed everything. You guys have already seen me and Matt discuss these.
Matt, run it.
I will say, seeing them in person versus the pictures changes a lot for me. I love the way the Nike swoosh looks. I just love the all black design. The only thing I don't like about all black Prestos is they just make your feet look small. So for me personally, if I do pick these up, I'm not gonna be getting a 12, I'll be getting a 13. I kind of left a lot of you guys very confused in the last video, and I apologize about that as far as sizing. It is true to size. There is no half sizes, so just go to your true size. And I know it gets confusing because you're like, okay, what if I'm a 9.5? Should I get a 10 or should I get a 9? It really depends on how you want the fit. If you want it just a little bit loose, go for the 10. If you want it snug and you know the whole lifestyle concept, just a snug shoe, get a 9. Either way, you won't be disappointed. I'm sure you're wondering, where do I get these? How do I buy them? Mike, do you have the answers? No sway. Recently, me and my girlfriend actually went and entered a few raffles. If you're local to LA, Bait had a raffle, Undefeated had a raffle. If you're in a town that doesn't have any type of raffles or getting them in store, your best bet is using the Sneakers app and Mr. Porter. Shoe Gallery, Sneakers and Stuff is having a raffle. What I already said, Mr. Porter. Barney's is supposed to be getting them. DSM, I think maybe only for London is getting them. I'll put a link down below that you guys can click on and you can check out all the sites that they'll be available at, or you can follow me on Twitter at MikeTheCompass. One of the questions that I've been getting a lot is what laces does it come with? And in the box, the only laces that I've seen with the black pair is the orange ones. Now don't quote me on this. You might get a purple pair, I don't know. They might just change it, you never know. But from right now, all I see is the orange pair, which actually looks pretty dope, you know, Halloween gang. And that is the review of the Off-White. This will be my final video about them. I've already made 3. If you haven't seen the white pair, if you haven't seen a comparison of the black and the white pair, I made that video. So be sure to check it out. Hit you guys with the on foot real quick.
Hey. It's that ball out summer shit. Tell them niggas check the stats, nigga. Hey, bow your head, say a grace. Pray we never catch a case. System got us losing faith. I'm just trying to be a great. New Year, same goals. Put in practice for the pros.
Nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up with around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my full goddamn.
And there you have it. This is your boy ASneakerLife. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air now. Hands in the air.
I'm gonna die.